Hey, we got water right here. We'll bring it to you. And you want to bring water from that hydrant?
What's our plan? Dispatch, you want DT, these are primary that are down on this road. Primary wires are laying across the way.
The primary wires across the road. Got my way.
You guys got maybe this area too here. I'm gonna start pulling sealant on that side. Soften it up for me. Don't mind.
Go ahead and pull it. Oh, it's coming down. Right here is yellow. Right there to the right side. Yeah, right there. Alright, good. Cut it. Okay, Scotty, everything in this kitchen is black and white. No more yellow. Hey guys, just so you know, he's obviously spraying water over your head, but any intact ceiling may suddenly come down on you, so be careful. Scotty, we good back in the Alpha Delta bedroom there?
I haven't touched it.
Okay. Let's open a hole, inspection hole in there, and stick the ladder up here and take a look. If we see any coals, just pull the ceiling.
How's it look?
We'll check it with a thermal imager when you get the hole open.
We were pulling sockets too. You'll see them. They're like black. Hawk said when it happened, there was like a fire shooting out. So we found a couple in the basement, but everything's looking good though. Pretty much pulled that whole wall down to the studs where the drop was. Yeah, so pulled all the headers. This was the only spot I was concerned with because that's.
And now you could access it from the basement or no? Okay.
Yeah, we hit it from the basement too.
Oh,
we
good.
took the line in from the inside. Hit it from the basement.
It's been sitting for a while and I don't see any smoke coming out.
Yeah, this was the only spot I was, really concerned with.
Plus it's gonna rain some more. This is all exposed.
I think we're getting there.
Yeah.
I think we might be there.
Yeah, we're pretty close. I think we just need to take a break and let it rest for a few minutes. Come back in.
I concur. Have a good drink.
All right, guys. Let's stop for now. Go outside, take a break, get a water. Let's let it rest for a minute. We'll come back in and see what we got. Okay. Oh yeah, it's all yellow. What's that? Here.